Once the xtUML editor plugins are built, we can launch them in an Eclipse environment. There are two options, Run and Debug. In debug mode, the application will stop for any breakpoints you have set in the Java debugger. In run mode, breakpoints are ignored. You can use the Run and Debug buttons on the toolbar to launch, or you can use the Run menu to launch either of the configurations. I'm going to launch a debug configuration. In the Launch wizard, we expand Eclipse Application and then select xtUML Editor Application. Typically, you can simply start the launch at this point. However, I'm going to take an extra step to make sure the launch is up to date with my environment. I'll choose the Plugins tab and then select the Add Required Plugins button. Choose Apply, and now I click Debug to start the application. As you can see, the debug perspective is automatically opened. Once the application starts, I can use it as normal, or I can perform specific steps to exercise known code paths I've recently worked on. The Java debugger built into Eclipse has typical features found in most debuggers: a view of active threads and call stacks, variable inspection, breakpoints, and so forth. One very useful feature is the ability to set a breakpoint on a Java exception. This will cause the application to stop anytime the chosen exception is thrown. Let's set a breakpoint on a Java null pointer exception. Now, as we debug our application or run JUnit tests, this breakpoint will help identify memory access issues. Of course, you can also set breakpoints on specific lines of code. Now you're ready to begin debugging your application.